first film of Dagda playing with his tunnel. Or rather, throwing the tunnel over, which is way more fun than actually running through it. Oh, mouse. Now he's attacking the big bat scratch ball. Mouse. Tunnel. I can't choose. Oh my meow. What to do? I'm going down. Back to mouse. Uh-oh, I sealed off that end. He's so cute when he's playing, but I better not swing my camera cap. If I let go of it, he's gonna chase that. The silly thing. Two and a half minutes of cat chasing mouse, tunnel, and scratch ball. And being a silly little thingy. What to do, what to do, it's all so much fun! Although I think he's now more trying to convince me to put the tunnel back up so we can throw it back over.